In 2024, overexertion and injuries from unsafe lifting and pushing were leading causes of workplace injuries. Bending, stretching, and overreaching to retrieve materials are overlooked components of safety. These unsafe practices are a daily reality for workers, putting unnecessary strain on muscles, joints, and the spine. The safe lifting zone, or power zone, is critical for preventing injuries. It is dangerous for workers to reach outside the zone as they put their health at risk. This is why Jtec Industries designed the turntable cart. This cart is an innovative solution designed to optimize safety and efficiency. With a rotating deck that locks every 180 degrees, materials stay within easy reach, reducing strain and promoting long-term worker health. This cart is part of Jtec's CarryMore mother-daughter Tugger cart system. The CarryMore system reduces the need for forklifts and keeps materials moving safely through facilities worldwide. Trains as long as 6 to 10 mother carts are possible with adequate aisle and corner widths and Tugger pulling capacities. Long CarryMore trains demonstrate almost perfect trailing capabilities, eliminating drift or walking associated with lesser system designs. Thanks to Jtec's patented all-mechanical Elevate lift technology, daughter carts are lifted off the ground and into their mother carts almost effortlessly. This valuable technology allows daughter carts to ride up off the floor when being towed, maximizing their lifespan and drastically reducing replacement caster costs and noise. These entirely mechanical carts require little to no maintenance. They are a reliable long-term solution. To learn more or to inquire about our turntable cart, visit jtecindustries.com and reach out today.